Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this foldable camping chair, zero gravity foldable camping chair that has been sent to me for this video. This one, as you can see, really easy. Just fold it. You want to use it? The only thing you will have to do is just this. Push it, push it, push it, push it. That's it. There you have your zero gravity chair. This one supports 400 pounds, so it's actually a lot, just judging by the size. Is 26-inch wide, so it's not like really big and bulky, but for like 400 pounds, that's actually pretty cool. And then let me show you something on a close-up. So a couple things about this one. Number one, it comes with a pillow over here. Really nice pillow, I have to say. It's just like a nice touch just to have this over here. Breathable fabric, breathable mesh, so that's going to be really good for both the hot days and also when you're out of the pool or something like that, you can be dripping under. Really good and reinforced elastic straps over here in every single one, so that's for withstanding those 400 pounds. The armrests are gonna be long as well, so you can nap in here, you can rest in here as well, so that's gonna be pretty good. And then the metal frame is also another really good part. It also comes with an accessory for your water bottle or your mug or something like that, so you can put this one or that one on the side and just make sure that you have room for your water bottle or things like that. But then you have this, which is gonna be your regular chair, so you can just use this one as it is, or you can put your 2 feet in here and push, and that's where it becomes a zero gravity chair. This is so awesome. And by the way, it comes right here with locks, so you won't be able to move it, to put it back in the on the original shape of the chair unless you unlock them, and you can just do this and go back easily to the shape of the chair. But I gotta say, like this, ooh, 400 pounds, just having the chance to chill right here with this pillow. And by the way, I'm 5'10" and I weigh 190 pounds, and you can see that I fit perfectly here. My feet are out of the chair, so you have this one, which is a 26 wide, or you have the 29 wide, which is a little bit longer too. But this one, whew, that is really comfy. I'm ready for a nap. This thing is awesome. Mesh, breathable, 400 pounds, foldable. You can put your water bottle. You can just take naps here. It is fantastic. I love it. I give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you soon.